Okay, now I'm going to show you how to create a new page. Okay, to create a new page is very simple. All you need to do is to scroll up again. Next to the pencil icon, there's an icon that looks like a page with a folded corner and a plus sign. Click on that one. The dialog box will show up. Name your page. I'm going to name this page test page. Now you realize that when you type your title of the page, automatically Google will use your title as a URL for your page. Now some of you may find that, okay, I don't want my URL to look exactly like my title. All you need to do is to click on the blue color link there next to change URL, this. Click on that. You can change the last portion of your URL to whatever you want it to be. All right? In this case, I'm going to leave it as test page. So the title of my page is test page. The URL is my portfolio and then test page. Select a template to use. Over here, I'm using the web page template. Now, there's a difference between all the different templates. The web page basically behaves like a normal web page. Okay? The next one, which is announcement, behaves like a blog page. That means you post a new blog or a new post, and then later on when you post a second time, the first post will be pushed downward. So you will continue to act like it is a blog page. Of course, you can use that for announcements too. And then you have a filing cabinet or a file cabinet page where you can upload stuff into that page. Now, one thing to know about file cabinet is this. If you start off using file cabinet and you upload your documents and your files in there, later on you say, okay, I don't want a file cabinet kind of layout. I want to change it to web page. Whatever you upload will be gone if you change. So take note of that. Do not change from file cabinet to anything else. Now, but if you have a web page, you want to change to file cabinet by all means. Okay, the other way around is all right, but not from file cabinet to something else. A list is where you will list down all the various websites and so on and so forth. It's more like a resource or help list kind of page kind of a style, right? I'm going to leave it as web page for simple reason, because most of the things that we are doing is more like a web page. I'm going to put this right now at the top level. Top level meaning right under your home page, your main page, right? Once you're done that, click Create. And by default, Google site will think that you want to start editing the page. So therefore, you are in the editing mode for the page you have just created. This is a new page. And I click Save.